back to Mina the Cat channel. So today I have two special guests over here. First we have we have Idina Rauda. She also have a channel called Idina Rauda. So don't forget to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to her. She has an amazing video, and of course we also have one more guest here. So always late. Here we got a special guest of our logo. Sorry. Oh. Sorry because we paused the video because our sister just tried to struggling us. So yeah. So today we are gonna do our squishy collection. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah. Let's just get on to the video. But before we start this video, give us a like and subscribe to my channel and her channel. So yeah, is this recording? Yeah. Okay, we have put all our squishies in here. We doesn't have so many, but we share it. So yeah. I have, I think, wait. Okay, this is my bag. By the way, okay. But I have some. So yeah, and by the way, like I said, we also have this here. I'm kind of scared of it. Not me, but this is the logo of my channel. Sorry. Got Mina. Oh my god. Her eyes. Oh, sorry. Oh. Her eyes are super scary for me. This kind of bad lighting. That girl. What? Oh. Sorry guys, we're gonna pause this video a second. Yeah. Sorry. So we are back. So yeah, let's just get started. So because it's just gonna have something that we have to do. Yeah. Okay, for the first one, I'm gonna go first since this is sorry. So first we have this. So by the way, we shared. Okay, for the first thing that we have is this medium panda bun. Seriously, it's super squishy. All of it doesn't have any packaging, and all these are old, squishy. He doesn't want to buy a new one because we kind of go struggle with our yeah. We have our six. And next, you can also have pandas. There's a she also has the panda head, but this one the bun, this one the head. Okay. By the way, this is the boy one. This one the girl. Yeah. This one is a girl with the red bow. Yeah. What is she doing? Oh my god. No. Okay, wait on. So we have our two both pandas. This is very slow rising. Let's see which one was slow rising. 1, 2, 3. No, I didn't say it goes. 1, 2. It doesn't see. You can't see. I don't know. So yeah. So let's see which one was slow. 1, 2, 3. I win. Oh, this one was slow rising. So yeah. Next one. Next, we have this two of these toes. I got the emoji one with the like that. And I got this. I don't know. It's like a facing. I've seen this before, but not in toast. They are like an egg. We have that, but not really. It's kind of like a blush one. So I got this on toast. This is my favorite, and that is her favorite as well.
I like pink. Of course.
I like yellow, but my teacher doesn't like yellow. Teacher mostly not.
How can you know?
Huh?
How can you know?
Of course, teacher already see. Teacher like these are like yellow.
Looks.
That.
Where is the slow rising?
Let's see. Okay, we're gonna focus in a little bit. Oops. One. Your hand. 1, 2, 3. And they're the same.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Next one.
For me.
Oh, we have another of these toes. Okay. One left. I want this one. Oops.
Where's the face?
Okay, next one that we have are this. I have this. What is it called? Onsen toast, and this one is the oldest one that we have because it's super dirty. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I have this egg. I don't know what's that.
It has it's a blush egg, but it doesn't have a face since I already take it.
Okay. So let's see
Which
where's
one?
the slow.
I think this one more flowers. Wait, let's
No.
try 1, 2, 3. It's such
Same.
the same. Okay, next one. Okay, we only like next we have this biscuit squishy. This one got ripped off. I don't know why. It also has a big bubble. Wait, focus.
I don't know what it's named. Do you know what?
Huh?
I don't know why it's named.
Oh, this is super slow, I think. It's a garlic bun.
Oh, what?
Garlic bun.
Oh, yeah. It's garlic.
It's super slow rising.
Let's see who is
Close up, please. Close up. There. 1, 2, 3. Mine is mine.
Wait. This one. Okay, again.
1, 1. Squish it first. 1, 2, 3. It's definitely the same of slow rising. I think the one that we have right now are these. We have this the dim sum. I think.
And I
Power of dim sum. I don't know. This one is a power of dim sum. It has a weird face on it. Because I want it, but I can't. We shared all of these.
And I have macaroni, yellow macaroni.
I just have macaroni. Look at macaroni.
Yellow macaron, but this have a color blue up there in here.
Because it's kind of dirty. So yeah, squish it down.
Let's see, where is the slowest?
I don't know. I think this one was slowest because that one. Close up, please. 1, 2, 3.
I think it's
no.
My
She's
yay, Amy.
But I win first.
Yeah,
That is. Wait.
that is right.
Wait, I'm gonna pause this video. So, wait, I'm gonna pause this video. Next, we have this mochi. I got the elephant with the green one. Ooh, at the cameras are super bright. Wow.
And I got a
Wow.
fried chicken.
Is it a fried chicken? No, this is fried chicken. So we kind of got ripped off. And we kind of play with it, and it's got this much. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for me.
What?
I don't. So sorry if you hear any sound, guys. My camera is dying right now. So that's it for our squishy collection. I hope you guys